Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks, I will create this 3D model. There are the four views here. There are the four views. One is the top view, front view, right view, bottom view, and this is the section view. Section AA. Okay, first I will start from this middle part, this circular part, with the help of the revolve feature. This one. Dia of this is, if you see, 125 is the bottom plate dia, and that is 10 mm thickness, and dia of this is 56 mm. Here you can see circular part 56 here. Okay, first I will make with the help of the revolve boss feature. Okay, now start. File, new, part. Okay, this interface comes SolidWorks. I select the background plain white and unit system view. I am taking millimeter gram second. You can take as per your requirement. Okay, I am taking front plane. Click on this sketch. This sketch. Now I will draw a line here. We start from a line. This, and this. And this vertical line I make construction. Okay, now select smart dimension, select this line, this and this. If you move your cursor beyond this construction line, that it will shows the dia. Please note this thing. If you move below this construction line, that will show the radius. Okay, this one, but this must be construction line. Okay, this one, this is 125 bottom plate. Okay, and above select this line, and this is 56 mm 56. This one you have to move above this one, this line, and this must be construction line, then it will show the dia. This one 56, and smart dimension, this dimension is 10 mm only. Sorry, 10 mm. Okay, and total height from here to here is 70 mm. This one. Okay, sketch is fully defined. This is 125. This one is 56 mm dia. Okay, and sorry. Now go in the future. Revolve boss base feature, this one. Now this message is coming. The sketch is currently open. A non-thin revelation feature requires a closed sketch. Would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Yes, I want to close. Yes. System detects this as a center line. Okay, and this, yes. This is. You can take any required angle. Suppose you want to take 180 degree and 180 degree, and this one this way, but my requirement is 360 degree. This one complete 360 degree angle I want to revolve it. This one. Okay, this I have made. This one. Now window, if you see the part here, I will make this middle part. Okay, I have made this time this circular part. I made this one. These dia either 36 mm and 30 mm is middle one, bottom one is 26 mm. Depth is, this one is 12 mm and bottom one is 8 mm. Okay, now I will make with the help of the revolve cut feature. This is the section view of this part. Okay, window, part, front plane, again front plane is sketch, normal. Okay, draw a line, this one, this, this, this. Make sure this line should be vertical. Okay, this is vertical, this also vertical. Make sure. Okay, this one. Now again, this dimension is, above dimension is smart dimension. This is construction line. When you select this line and this line, now we will show the dia. Okay, if you move below this show the radius, and below, above, if you move beyond this construction line, it show the dia. That is, this dia is 36 mm. 36 mm. And again, this dia and this one move above. This is 30 mm. Click 30 mm. Okay, and this dia bottom one, click here and move above this construction line. This dia is 26 mm. So 36, 30 and 26 mm. Okay, now this dimension from here to here is 8 mm. And this to this is 12 mm only. This one. Now you see 8 mm, 26. Make sure this line should be vertical. But sketch is not fully defined. What is the reason for this? Underdefined, this one. Yes. Suppose I take the height of this one. By default, this is, no, this is 36 mm. This is construction, and delete. This dia is 36 mm. This is 8 mm and delete, and this dia, this to this 30 mm. Okay, I make again front plane is sketch line, this make construction, construction, this dimension, this line to this line is 36, this to this 30, this to this is 26, and this to this is 8 mm. This to this is 12 mm. Now sketch is fully defined. Okay. In order to show the dia, this must be construction line, and you select this one and this one. If you go above this line, then you will show the dia. Okay, sketch is defined. Above dia is 36, this is 30, and this is 26 mm. Now future, go revolve cut here, this one. Now again system is asking, this is currently, because this is open because of this construction line. Would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Yes, I want to close at this one. If you see the section view in this way, you see here, this one, okay, this one. So I have made this one, window, this one. I have made this part. this middle one. So far I have made this circular part, and this revolve cut I have made this one. Okay. Now here is the fillet of 15 mm fillet is here, and the 1 mm fillet I am not shown here. This is the 15 mm fillet here. 15 mm fillet is here. This fillet is 15 mm. Actually, I am not shown. You can show it. This is 15 mm. If you show, this is 15 mm fillet. Okay, and 1 mm is here. This one here, corner point. Okay. So first I will provide the fillet, and then I will make this part, this right hand part, this one. This part dia of these parts are 56, 48, 34, 24, and depth is this one. I will show you how to make this one. This right hand part, I will make this one, right hand part, 56, 48, 34, 24. Okay, depth is, this is 15 mm, and this is middle one is 10 mm. First I will make this wall, and first I will make the fillet, window part, fillet, this is constant radius fillet, show selection toolbar, tangent propagation, full preview, then select the multi-radius fillet, and here you show the 15 mm. Suppose you don't show the fillet. Okay, now you select the edge, this one and this one. When you adopt this option multi-radius, this box is coming, this one. I want to provide, this is a 15 mm. Double click here, 15 mm, and double click here and provide 1 mm, this one. In this way you can provide as many fillet as you want. Okay, this one, and hit type, fillet is provided. Okay. Now I will make this sketch. This part is, this right hand part is actually at a distance of 45. First I will make a plane at a distance of 45. Then I will make these dials. Okay. And height of this part is, from the center you will see at a height of 41 mm from the bottom plate. Okay. This one part front plane. Again, no, I will create a first plane, future, this plane, first reference, right plane. Okay, distance is 45 mm, this one. Okay, now select this plane, sketch, select this plane, sketch, normal. First draw a center line. Center line is very useful in order to assign the dimension properly. Please note this thing. This one. Now draw the circle. First dia, second dia, third dia, fourth dia. I draw 4 dia. Okay, out of this one. So these dias are of dia 56. Outer dia is 56 mm. 56. This dia 48 mm. This dia 34 mm. This dia 24 mm. Please carefully note this thing. Outer dia is 56 mm. This is 48 mm. This is 34 mm. And this is 24 mm. Okay. And this one. But one point. Select from bottom to center. This height should be 41 mm. This one. This one. Sketch is fully defined. Okay. Now you carefully note at this step. Future, first is extrude boss base. This one. Okay. Future, this one. First you select the sketch. This one. And extrude boss base. This one. Now, because there are more than one close boundaries, please note this thing. So you have to go in selected contours, select this box, blind this option, you select this option up to surface. or body. You can take any other, up to surface or body with surface, this surface, and in selected contour you select outer dia, this one. But direction is coming towards my side. Reverse the direction from here. In Future Tree Manager, direction from you can change from here to here, this one. And which surface? This surface. In this way. Okay. Now, select the same sketch. Select the same sketch. I will create the now wall. How? Select the same sketch, extrude cut. Extrude cut, but this depth is 10 mm. 10 mm, blind 10 mm in selected contour, select this one. Direction is towards this one. This is making this one. Now you will see again same sketch, extrude cut, selected contour, this time select this one, this and this one, this, and this depth is 15 mm. 15 mm and this one. Now you move this one. One more thing, again same select same sketch and extrude cut, with now this time select this one, and up to next means end of this one, end of this surface, and this I have made. If you will see, so this depth is 10 from here to here 10 mm and total is 15 mm. Okay. Now the edges are not sharp. You will see the parts edges are not sharp. You go in the option, document property, image quality. Image quality you keep higher, both the things. This one, draft quality, and this wireframe and shaded, and keep OK and refresh with it. This one. Now edges are sharp here. Okay. Now this one. Now one more thing, this select this plane, hide it. I will make now this one, this portion, this circular portion, this one. This is 4 portion I have. Later on I will make the threads. So this is up to this one, up to body, this part, this round part I will make. What is this one? This is at a 60 PCD. At a 60 PCD, this die is R5, 10. Radius is 5 mm. Okay, and hole is, later on I will make the hole M5 hole. Depth is 10 mm. Total depth is 12 mm of the 4 mm hole for the M5 threads. So how I will make? Okay. And this is at a PCD of 60, I will make this one. Okay. Now, feature, part, select this face, sketch, normal, again draw a center line. This one. Or draw a circle, this circle, center point of, at the center of this circle, center point, this one, you make the PCD of 60 mm, this one. This is 60 mm, 60. Okay, but you make this as a construction, this one, this is construction line. Extend it, delete, extend up to this point. Okay, this one. Now we have to make for this circular part here. So angle you will find, if you see the angle is 44 degree between this. Okay, now go part. I make a line here, center line here also, from this to this one. This is 44 degree. This is 44 degree. Please check what is the angle of this one. 44 degree. Okay, this is 44 degree. Now you make a circle here, slightly zoom it. This one. This radius of this circle is we see the radius, that is 5 mm. So I make the circle of dia 10. This dia is 10 mm. Okay. So now select this outer circle. Select this, no. Select this outer circle and convert it. Now outer circle is converted. That is dia of 56 mm. If you note this thing, this is 56 mm by default. Okay. Now you draw the line here from where this intersection of this one circle and this outer PCD. From the intersection, you see the, when you see the object snap of intersection, click here and draw a line slightly tapered, and this one. Now make a relation. Select this line, shift, and this line. Make relation parallel. Now go in the sketch and mirror. Select this line and mirror about. Make sure copy should be checked. This one. Now this. Now you see this one. I need this profile, upper profile. You can either you trim. In trimming, you might lose some relation. So I am not trimming. Please note carefully here. How I will trim? I will boss extrude future. Sketch is fully defined. You will see. Okay. Extrude boss base with selected contour. When there are the close contour is more than, there are more than for one profile, you go in the selected contour. Select this one. Please carefully note this one and this one. This slides, zoom it. This one and slightly zoom it. Either you can trim, otherwise I have to extrude this one, this portion. You please note carefully. But where? Up to surface. Which surface? Which surface? But direction is coming towards my side, reverse the direction. Up to surface, which surface? This surface. This. Now I have made this one. This one. Now I will make the threaded hole of M5. Okay. Now you go into hole wizard. Hole wizard, this one. Now you will see there are different standards holes are coming. I will select this one. This is the counter bore hole. This is the counter shrink hole. This is the plain hole, legacy hole, and this is threaded. I am selecting this one. Standard, there are various standards. ISO, I am selecting ISO. Bottom tab, I will not take the throughout hole. I am taking up to depth. This is M5. You select M5 here. M5 and show custom. You can show. But I don't need blind depth. Depth is, this is up to shoulder. Shoulder depth is 12 mm. And thread depth is 10 mm. And the bottom thread call out, this one. And you please uncheck this. Near side counter sink. Otherwise counter sink will develop. Uncheck this one. Again this one. This one. And position. Select this face. Normal, bring your cursor on the circular portion, this one, you get the center point and click here. This one, right click out of this one. Okay? Okay. Now, and hit right button. Now, but the threads are not visible. Go in the option, document property, you go in the detailing, and here cosmetic threads and shaded cosmetic thread should be checked. This one. Now this one. Now future circular pattern, this one. Select the circular face, this one. Any circular face you can select, whether this one or this one. Okay. And 4 number of the pattern, tabbed hole in the future and faces, select the boss extrude also. This one. Either you can select from the graphic area or you can select it from the this tree manager. This one and hit right button. This one. equal spacing. This I have done. Okay, this I have done. You can apply the material from here. Right click in the Future Tree Manager, right click, edit material. You can apply any edit material, ASI 304. These are the properties of the material. You can change the unit from also. You can see the property if you require, and apply close. This one, this is applied, and apply the appearance from here. This one you can apply the appearance from here. The color from here. This one, this you can apply the color part. This one, and hit right button. This is applied. Okay, and if you provide the appearance for the thread portion, how you can apply the appearance for the thread portion? You can open this one, this arrow, and go in the M5 tabbed hole. Click here in the appearance section. Here I apply the appearance from here. This one, appearance, and here in the metal you go apply tone. This, click here and select this feature and hit right button. Now you will see the appearance is applied in the threaded portion. Okay, this one. Now if you see the drawing, this one, I will make this holes, threaded holes, where this one. This is M4 thread. The PCD is 46. At a 46 PCD, I will make this threaded hole. What is M4 threads? M4 threads, 8 depth, threaded depth is 8 mm. You will see here, and the hole dia is 3 mm up to depth of 10 mm for the threaded hole. This dia is for the threaded hole. Okay, M4 thread, 3 number holes at a PCD of 46. Window, part, I select. Now I will make the hole here. So go in the hole wizard, this one again threaded hole, bottom tab, ISO, this time I am selecting M4. Now 10 mm, 8 mm, you will see. 10 mm is the thread up to shoulder, and this is the depth of the thread, 8 mm depth. Okay, now bottom you go near, uncheck this near side countersink, otherwise countersink will take place. Position, select this face, normal. Now out of this threaded hole wizard, right click. Yeah, either you press escape key or right click in the graphic area, select. Now you are out of the threaded hole wizard. Now you make a sketch. This circle, make a circle, PCD, right click, out. This die is 60 mm. This die is 60 mm. No, this is 60 mm. Yes. This die is 46 mm. Sorry, 46 mm. 46. This is 46 mm. 46 mm construction, make construction. Okay, now in order to reactivate the whole wizard, click on this in sketch, this dot point, click. Now you will see the hole is activated, threaded hole is activated. Near my cursor you will see the yellow indication is coming. Now click on this point, click, right click, out, and hit right button. Now the thread hole is created. This one. Now make the circular pattern. This one, circular pattern. This one, circular pattern. About, you take any circular edge. Either you select from inside. This one. Number of pattern is 3. From here, 3. This one, threaded hole, and hit right button. This one. This is the. Now open this arrow, select this, right click, copy appearance, and tab hole. This one, select here, paste appearance. In this way you can apply copy the appearance. Okay, now this one. Now if you see this one, sketch, Now there are the 4 counter bore holes on the bottom plate. This one, this hole at a PCD of 107 PCD. Counter bore details are this one. Counter bore dia is 12 mm, depth 3 mm, and the main hole is 6 mm up to depth of 10 mm. Okay, now I will show how to make. First I will make a PCD of 107 PCD. Okay, window, part, hole wizard, this. I select this legacy hole, this one. From here you can select the counter bore. What is the dia of the main hole? That is 6 mm. 6 mm. Okay. Depth is 3 mm. Depth is, this is the main hole dia, 6 mm, 3 mm. If you, please carefully note, if you select the blind, then you can change this depth. Okay. But I am taking option next, this one. And if you double click here, it will not change. Please note this thing. Only in case of blind you can change this one. Only in case of double click, now you can change it. But I am taking the option next. If you take any other option in addition to blind through all this one, you can't change this one. Okay, I am taking up to next option for the main hole. Now counter bore dia. This dia is 12 mm. Double click, this depth, counter bore depth is 3 mm. This one. Okay, the main hole dia is 6 mm throughout up to next, and the depth is up to next, and this is the counter bore dia, depth is 3 mm up to next, this one. These are the options. Now position, select this face, normal, this one, right click out of this hole wizard, out of the counter bore hole. First I will make a circle here, this one. Right click out, smart dimension 107 mm, 7 mm, this one, but make this construction. Now in order to reactivate the hole wizard, in the sketch you just click in this point. Now you see the yellow indication is coming near my cursor. You please see, note this thing. Now but angle of this is 44 degree. Again right click, select, again draw a line here, 2 lines here. From this you can click, double click in the graphic area, double click. Now you are in the line command, click here, this one, angle is 44 degree. 44 degree. Okay, and hit right button. Please see what is the angle of this node coming, 44 degree. Now again, in order to reactivate the hole, click. Now you see yellow indication is coming, and click here, right click out, hit right button. Now the counter bore is created. Now future, go in the circular pattern. You can take any circular edge. Suppose I take this one. Number of pattern is 4 mm. This way I have created this. You can copy the appearance of the hole. This one, select it, copy appearance, hole, select, paste appearance. This one. You can also give the finish of the cut portion. Suppose you want to apply this portion. Select, copy appearance here. This, paste appearance. This, paste appearance. Select, paste appearance. In this way you can provide the finish. This one. Okay. One thing I have left here, their portion revolve cut here. Slightly. Revolve cut, I want to make a depth of cut here. How? Front plane, sketch, normal. I make a rectangle here. This rectangle from here to here. You please note this. This one, and this line is construction line, and select this construction line and this. If you move beyond the construction line, this show the dia. This dia is 85 mm, 85. This one, and height is, this height is, I have left in blank this thing. This is 2 mm only. This one, and sketch is fully defined. Now future, go in the future, revolve cut. This one. Again this warning is coming. Sketch is currently open because this construction line, this is the sketch is open. Yes. You want to close? Yes. And hit right button. This one. You will see this portion. I have not shown this portion in the drawing. Okay, I have this one. You can also provide the cut revolve from here. In the future tree manager, open this one. You can apply any finish. Suppose click here, click appearance. You apply another finish. You can apply, suppose metal, steel, brush steel. Suppose you apply this finish. This cut revolve upon this. In this way, you can apply the finish here. If you show the section view, this one you can show. This you can show. Okay. I think I have completed all the things. If you uncheck and window part, this one, and you can see I have provided all the things here. This angle of the bottom bow counter hole was the 40 degree. Okay, you can change it, or otherwise part where is the hole, this counter bore holes, this one circular, or you can make changes or not. 4 tapped hole, this one, 4 counter hole, this one. This is sketch. Right click, edit. No, this one. No, this one. Or you can leave it, you can change it, otherwise you can change from here also. Actually this is 40 degree. And hit right button. This one, hit button. So angle is between 3 holes is 40 degree. I think I have completed all the things from here, and I hope you would have enjoyed in my this. Please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.